Hi there. I wanted to talk a bit about the baking process. So I am going to use this example to demonstrate that. But let's make some room here. Okay. To bake the simulation, you will need bake a bake node that you link to the particle system, and you need to enable the attribute that you want to send to a geometry node, for example, the radius. And let me check if we have the radius set. Okay, so we have a random value in the radius, so we should have something for geometry node. Next, I am going to put that in my desktop, and voila, hit bake the simulation. Okay, when you are done, it will add an object to your scene, as you see here. And if you play the simulation, everything should be just fine. Next, I will talk about the render process and the setup with geometry node. So see you in the next one.